how to use or how to add EBT card on Instacart. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can use or how you can add EBT card on your Instacart. Now the process is quite simple. You can do so on the Instacart application or on the browser as well. Now here I'll be showing you on the browser, but the process is similar on the application as well. Now if you want to do it on browser, you want to simply head into your browser, and from there you want to search in for instacart.com, and once there you will be headed to this page where you'll have to make sure that you'll be logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top left corner of your screen, and once there you can see under below at the left hand side stores, your orders, your list, your receipts, your account settings. Simply tap on your account settings option, and under it you want to again tap on account settings option. Once you tap on account settings, if you scroll down you can see EBT snap settings. So EBT snap eligibility by item, you can enable this if you want, or you can disable it if you want, and under it you can see add EBT snap card. Simply tap on add EBT snap card and it will head you to payment methods. Simply tap on EBT snap card and you can see the add option beside it. Tap on add option, and once you tap on add, it prompts you to the name. Here you can type in your name, your first name and last name, and then your card number. You'll have to type in your card number and re-enter your card number, and simply tap on save, and you'll be able to add it and you'll be able to use it as your payment method. So this way you can use EBT card or add EBT card on your Instacart. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.